You'd agree with me that video marketing has become the pillar, the backbone of content marketing. Every brand right now, every serious business right now who is into content marketing wants to start video marketing because that's where the eyeballs are. That's the next big thing right now in the space of content marketing. But that poses a challenge to creators, to online businesses, to agencies, to just online entrepreneur, because it can cost an arm and a leg for you to be able to have a reputable platform where you can easily create this content. And in this video, I want to show you an amazing tool that will literally solve all your video content problems. Very, very easy, and it works well with WordPress. That's the icing on the cake. Whether or not you want to just record your screen, you want to record yourself, whether or not you want to create videos for YouTube, or you want to create courses on your WordPress website and you want to host them, this is a one-in-all solution for your video needs. Whether or not you want to collaborate, whether or not you want to brand, whatever it is. Without further ado, without wasting so much time, let me take you to my screen and let me show you this awesome tool. So right here is GoDAM, is at godam.io. We'll leave a link to GoDAM in the video description. Fantastic tool here. So as you can see here, it says elevate your WordPress site with advanced video and all-in-one media management. So it's just an all-in-one media management tool. You can see everything it can do for you. It can help you capture leads. It can enable e-commerce. You can run your own ads from your own video player. You can build in your own paid streaming service like Netflix, Amazon Prime. Have your own video collaboration community. Wow, that's fantastic. And you can easily just start these for free. Fantastic stuff here. WordPress video workflow simplified. You can see you have your WordPress library that integrate with GoDAM and also integrate with a global content delivery network that can serve your website visitors. And then from here, as a WordPress editor, you can easily just jump in here. So I'm going to show you how all of this work real quick. You can start this literally for free, like I mentioned earlier. I think I'm going to come back here to the pricing so that you see exactly what this is priced at. But if you click this, it would open up this app where you can easily manage your videos. So you can see here, I have lots and lots of videos here. And also, if you have a premium account, this work with Chrome so that you can probably just maybe record your screen. Like I said, it's an all-in-one solution. So right now here, I'm going to walk you through this dashboard real quick, but let me just show you what exactly you can do. Let's say, for example, I want to record my screen here and I just want to do a very fast video tutorial, right? So I can easily just come to my Chrome extension here. You can see I have GoDAM app installed here. So if I click this, as you can see, that's integrating right now with my Chrome. And then you can see now I have my image here. Quite very fantastic, right? And then from here I can have the settings. Definitely is picking my MX Brio for my webcam, and also my Shure MV7 microphone here is being picked. Unfortunately, I'm already using the mic. I'm not sure it will do a good job using the mic there. I can just switch this to the default microphone here, so that will be good. So also I can select if I want to record my entire screen, or I just want to select a tab area. I just want to record a camera alone, or maybe do a mock-up, right? Those are possibilities. You can also switch to GoDAM here, so I'll be able to see your account. You can have maybe 2 or more accounts. By default here, I have Siok Media here, and that's exactly what I want to use. And from here, I can show more option. For example, you can hide the tool in case you want to. You can set a countdown. It's turned on by default. You can set a time limit. If you just want to record your video for just 30 minutes and you want this to shut down, microphone off warning, you want to turn that on. Stay in the page when recording. Zoom to cursor. This is experimental. You might also want to just play with that and see. But let's just play with the test recording. Let's see exactly how this works. So right now I can just say start recording, and you can see it's asking for which of my screen here. So I'm going to go with my vertical. Is this vertical or this is horizontal? I'm mixing everything up right now. But screen 1 is good. You can also just select maybe a window or a Chrome tab that you want to share. And then you can come here. You can also share system audio in case you want to do that, and then share. Good. So right now you can see in no time I am already recording my screen, and I can just go on and on with my tutorial. And then I have my video here. I can click into this to make changes in case I want to make this bigger. I can easily just drag this. You can see that. That's exactly how this works. I can also toggle in picture mode. So if I toggle this, it will just come somewhere down here, which is also quite very beautiful, right? Whatever it is that works for you is good for this. So I can click this, and this is right back here. You can see that. Quite very awesome. So right now there are a lot of tools here also that you can use for your recording. Let's say you have a presentation and you just want to maybe write something. Maybe you have a white screen that or a board. You can just click this here. You can come to maybe a pen tool here, and you can just begin to write whatever it is you want to write. So something like that, super cool. You have your eraser. Okay, this is the highlighter tool in case you want to highlight something. You just want people to see that. You can just easily highlight like that. You also have your eraser tool here. You can erase anything you don't want. You can see that's gone. You can see that. The next is the color and stroke text tool here. The shape tool. You can also see the arrow tool. Once you over on all of this icon here, it will definitely tell you what that is all about. So you can see that this is an image tool in case I want to just maybe bring in an image here. That's also a possibility. Fantastic stuff there. And also if you want to maybe blur certain areas of your page, you don't want them visible, you can use the blur tool, and then you can just go to any tool you want to blur. So let's say I want to blur this. You can see that's already blur. Super cool. Let's say I want to blur everything here. You can see that's done. So you can choose whatever it is you want to share, and I think this is super good. This will come in a lot handy for you if you want to create courses and you want to integrate this with your WordPress website, because this also serves as hosting for your videos. Super cool and awesome, right? So now let's come back here. There's also something you can still do here, which is your toggle cursor option. So if you click this, you'll be able to see highlight clicks. So once you are clicking something, it would highlight that click. You can see that effect. Super awesome. So if you click this, other things are there. Highlight cursor. So you can see now there's now this cursor with the mouse. So this is just good when you are trying to just keep or retain attention. So if you do this, so you can see this is super awesome, right? So those are the options you have here for you to be able to have a very smooth screen recording. And once you are done, you can just easily come up here to end this recording. So immediately that's done, you can see all tight, we are setting up your videos. Just like that, in some few minutes, you've been able to create an amazing video. And in no time again, your video will be ready from here, and also the video will be transcoded, which is quite very good. This might take some few seconds, so maybe I'm going to pause this video and then I'm going to continue when this video is ready. All right, so we have our video ready right now, already transcoded, and now we can begin to use our video. How super cool and awesome is this? So first off, here is the name. You can just rename this in case you don't like this as a name. You want to call this maybe Dav Special. That's what's coming to my head. I'm sorry. So name this whatever it is you want to, and then you can see that has been named. So if you scroll down here, you can see that already we have video thumbnails automatically generated from us from the video. You can ignore that if you don't want to use it. No big deal. You can also maybe react to your video. So you can share this video out, and then you can have people comment here. You can collaborate on this video, right? So from here, someone can join in, and then all of you can comment around this. Super good and awesome. So another thing you can do here is to get the transcription for your video using AI. So if you click this, you'll be able to get the transcription instantly, which I find quite very awesome. I'm not going to do that right now because it's not a video that I did a lot of talking. And the next thing you can do from here is to download the video, just in case you want to maybe use that video personally, or maybe you want to go ahead to further edit the video. That's literally up to you. You might have your preferred video editor tool and you want to maybe do one or two things more. You have that full control over your video by just downloading right from here. And the next thing you can also still do from there is to share this video. So if you click on this right now, you'll be able to get a video link here that you can share. You can also make this video public. That's how super awesome that is, so that you can easily just embed this anywhere you want to, maybe on your website, however, what type of website you're using. But if you're using a WordPress website, the game changes, because GoDAM has a WordPress application that can directly integrate with your GoDAM Central. Right? That's beautiful for WordPress. So now let's close this. And I think that's pretty much everything about this. When I mention GoDAM Central, your Central, this is just your Central here. I can easily refresh this. You can see now I have DAP special here 4 minutes ago. This is your Central. So if you have a link your WordPress or maybe 2 or 3 WordPress website, these videos on your WordPress can easily sync here and here with WordPress. I don't know if that makes sense. So you can link, you can sync your video, but this is your global center where you can manage all your videos wherever they are. It gets a lot easier as we go on. So from here, you can easily play around. This is your media library. This is where we are. And if you come here, this is where you'll be able to see all the sites you have active that you're using. So you can see I have like 2 WordPress websites here currently active, which is good. And then I can come to my team members. This is where I can add other people if I want to collaborate on videos, so we can record videos together, we can do stuff together. That's quite also very good. This is where you get to see your profile. You can add the first name, a last name, and then you can change stuff here. This is where you get to see your billings. I'm not sure I want to go into that. The next thing that's important for us to do is to come to our settings here. So this is where you get to see your organization list, and then you can set your default role, whether or not as a manager, creator, or a viewer. A viewer is just somebody who can see, who can make any changes. A creator can create, but a manager can manage everything. You can record, you can edit, you can do all those stuff. And then you can also integrate third-party applications like your Vimeo. And then you can see very soon HubSpot is coming. So this is a new tool, is developing, but it has a lot of potential. Also, the last thing here is your support. So if you click here, you can easily get support. You can create tickets, and then you can get help in case you have any challenge. Pretty much super cool stuff there. So now let's come back to our media library. Now let's use this random WordPress website here. Even though I have integrated this WordPress website to my GoDAM, I just deactivated everything and deleted the plugin. Let's use this for tutorial purpose. Let's come to the back end here. Let's come to plugins. Let's come to add a new plugin. And let's search for that plugin called GoDAM. We have the GoDAM plugin here. Let's install this plugin. So at the time I'm filming this just have 90 plus active installations. Pretty much new plugin, but you can see that it is by RTCamp, and RTCamp is quite a reputable company in the WordPress space. So you want to know that this would be very good. All right, so now let's activate this plugin. Good. So now we are inside of GoDAM, and then while you screen recording inside Chrome, you can see you can read more, record your screen tab window. I already showed you all of that. Live drawings and annotation, I already showed you that. You can explore more feature, automatic upload to GoDAM, one-click sharing, real-time feedback, I already showed you that. How you can chat, organize media library built for team members with roles and permission, how it works in 4 simple easy steps. So that's it for this. Immediately you install and activate the plugin, you'll be able to see GoDAM here, and you can easily come to your dashboard, video editor, settings, help, and you can also see what's new. I think that's where we are right now. So let's go to settings. Under the general settings here, you can see the first things: enable folder organization in media library. Yes, want to toggle that on. If you also want to enable Google Tag Manager video tracking analytics for conversion tracking, you can also toggle that. But GoDAM itself has a tracking feature, but in case you are very comfortable using Google Tag Manager, Why not toggle that on and save this? And then you can come to your video settings. The first thing you'll be asked to do here is to enter an API key. So in case you are installing this plugin first and you don't have a GoDAM account, you can just easily come here and click this button here to just maybe check out and purchase an account. But since we have an account here, let's go back to just pick an API key. So let's come back here. We can just come to billing. If we click this, but one of the things you can do again is that you can click this icon here to open up this dashboard so that you can easily see things. So in case you want to know which one is billing side, you can see them here. And then you can see start of your storage. I have 300 gigabytes of storage here, or 3000 gigabytes of storage, sorry. And I also have 3000 gigabytes of bandwidth. That's a lot of space. So I can create courses, 3, 4, 5 courses using this, and this would serve. Why? So now let's come to our billings. We want to pick up our API key. So these are API key from here. I can just click this. So this is where you get to see your plan, when it's active, when is a renewal, where you see your start date, you see your renewal date. You can come to your address, your purchases, invoice, payment method, and plans. You can see all of that from here. So now let's come back here and let's paste our API key here, and let's just save this API key. API key verified and stored successfully, and that's basically what we want to do from here. So now let's go to our video player. So this is where you get to choose the player skin. By default here is default. You can just go to maybe classic. You can see that. You can switch this to minimal. You can see how that would display. You can see how this would display. Maybe we should leave this. This is where you get to set your brand color. You can just play around with whatever color you want to. In our case here, I will just play with something very, very random, right? So take your time here to put your exact brand color. And then you can also maybe drop your brand logo. Maybe I should do that. Let's upload our logo. I don't have my logo in my media yet, so I might just want to upload that from my computer. All right, so now I have a logo here, Seahawk, and then I can use this brand image. Maybe I should just change my brand color to match our logo right now, somewhere around here. Let's do this. You get the idea, something not too far, and I think this is good. So now you can also play with custom CSS in case you want to style your video however you want to, and I think that's also beautiful. So once you are done, you can just hit the save changes here, and I think that's it. So for our video art, you can enable global video art, and then from here you had your art tag URL. So I'm not going to touch on that right now. I don't want this to be excessively long. I'm going to probably make another video showing you exactly how to run art on your video, right? Okay, so now let's go now to our video editor. Yeah, let's leave this place. Don't have any video here that I can use. It says that I should upload videos from WordPress media library. So like I told you earlier, these work both ways. So I can upload a video directly into my WordPress library, and it will sync, GoDAM will sync it to my GoDAM Central global center here, my media library here. And then I can also sync videos that I have here also into WordPress. So you can see the bridge here. So I'm going to play with both right now so that we'll see. You can see that the Seahawk Media logo that I just uploaded right now into WordPress has been synced here. You can see that's the logo here right now, which is 2 minutes ago. And I think that's super beautiful. So you get a place that back up all your media. That's quite very, very fantastic. So right now, let's come here. So let's just go to our media library. Let's see exactly what we even have from there. So you can see that our media library has changed. We can now manage our media library differently. We can create a new folder. For example, I can just say this is my video folder. I can just call this video, and then I can create that folder. Folder created successfully. So I now have video here. So if I click into video, you can see video is empty. So I can choose, this is where I want to upload all my videos, because I want to separate every of my media on my WordPress website. And I think that's super, super cool. So that's some of the things you can also do using GoDAM, and I think it's quite very, very fantastic. So right now, let's just try to add a media file. Let me just upload any random video from my computer. I'm just uploading a random video here of myself, right? Okay, so this is the video. I can just click this. You can see the video from here. This is just me one of those times I'm just working, right? Same here. I can play the video. You can see that that's not very good in terms of audio. I can also edit my video from here. Super good. No layer added. That's fine. I can come to my player settings. I can show volume slider, display caption, show branding. I can, my play button is at the center. I might want to change that to maybe left, top, bottom, right, whatever it is, but center just look cool, right? Custom play button, I might want to upload. I just keep duration. You can see all of that one. Player theme, you can see select add server. We have not done that. We can also come to chapters. We don't have chapters here. I can add a chapter if I want to break the video into different chapters, and that's it. For this, I can easily just copy this, and then you can see this has been copied to clipboard. I can use this anywhere I want to use it on my WordPress website, and I think that's good. Another thing we can still do from here is to preview this. So this is exactly what the video will look like. I can easily play this. You can see that. Super good, super cool, right? So the video player may different based on the theme styles. It's also possible that you can change a little bit. So that's it for this. So once we are done from here, we can just come back to WordPress and go wherever we have. Currently we are at our video editor, but what I want to do right now is to probably go to maybe a random page or post, right? Maybe we should work with a post. Let's add a new post. And let's see how we can integrate videos into our post. You can use it with maybe course. Like I have a learning management system here. I can easily use that. So now let's just call this random. Right, so now if we click the plus icon, you can say I now have GoDAM video here. Let's just search for GoDAM. Let's see everything GoDAM we have. So you can see we have GoDAM video, GoDAM audio, GoDAM video gallery in case you want to show galleries of videos, GoDAM video thumbnail, GoDAM video duration, so you can also specify the duration of your video. So let's just work with GoDAM video right now. So from here you can select a video. You can say I have a transcoded video here that's been uploaded here, and that's good. But let's say I want to upload a video that's already on my global center. So I can just switch this from media library. I can switch this to GoDAM, and that will fetch all the videos that I have. So you can see this is the video I recorded earlier, not long ago, and this is not the video that I uploaded to my WordPress website. You can see that it's already on GoDAM Central, so I can choose to use this video inside of my post, and you can see the video here. I can customize certain things from here, like the autoplay, loop, muted, playback control, share button. I want to turn that on because I want people to share this. That's a possibility, right? But again, I'm going to just toggle this off. I might want to add a video thumbnail. I might want to add an over option here. So maybe show player control when you hover on it, something like that. That's a possibility. So I can also customize this video. I showed you that earlier. I can also do some SEO settings for this video. I can also specify the aspect ratio in case I want this to be responsive regardless of the space I put it. It can also work with that, and I think that's good. Add video caption in case you want to do subtitles and caption, which is quite very fantastic. So this is exactly how to use your video. So you can add as many as possible. You can come here again, come to GoDAM video and maybe select a video. For example, we have a video in our media library. Maybe we should work with that. So right now, immediately I did that, you can see that I now have this video right now in my WordPress library. So this icon here tells me that this is hosted in GoDAM, displaying here, and this icon green here tells me this has been transcoded and has been sent to my GoDAM global center, which is quite very good, right? So I can select these two as well, and I can use this in my video. And you can see my video is here, and that's exactly how to use the GoDAM WordPress plugin to just integrate with your GoDAM Global Center and display video that is already there in your WordPress and video that is here as well sync to your Global Center. So you can just go view your post and then you see your video. So you can see my video right now displaying exactly how I want it, with my branding, with my logo, exactly how I want my video to show. And I think this is super good. So there is no need to worry about someone trying to steal your video. This video is super secured. No one will be able to download this video because it's securely stored inside of our GoDAM Central. And you can use this for your courses. You can use this for your videos, branded videos, for your website, for your courses, your training, for your webinar, whatever it is you want to do with this. And I think this is super good. This is very fantastic. So if you come here, you'll be able to see all the videos, you'll be able to see all your site like I showed you earlier. So exactly how much is this price? So let's come to their pricing and let's see exactly how much it will cost to have this goodness. So if you come down here, you can see that you can start using this for as low as $90 per year. Wow, $90 per year. You can compare what this pricing is with other video hosting platform like Wistia, like Vimeo. You can compare the pricing, and you have a storage of 100 gigabyte, bandwidth of 100 gigabyte, unlimited site, unlimited users, video audio transcoding, video interactive video player, custom watermark, AI transcription. You can easily start this 7 days free trial. You can try this and then you can choose to pay. For their bronze is at $190 per year, silver $290, $490, $990. All the basic difference between these is just the storage here, which is different from 100 gigabyte, 200, 250, 500, 1 terabyte, 3 terabytes, to bandwidth, and then to your AI transcription, which is 100 minutes, 250 minutes, 350 minutes, 450, 600 minutes. And that's the basic difference between this. And I think this is super good. This is a lot easier. The fact that it works seamlessly with WordPress blew my mind, and I can record my screen with your Chrome extension. I can have a global center where I manage all my videos. If I upload my videos to WordPress, it will sync directly to my global center, and the videos I have on my global center, I can use them on my WordPress. I can edit the video, can use my branding. Awesome for WordPress. So if you are looking for an all-in-one video solution for your video content marketing, then GoDAM is the tool to try. We'll leave a link to GoDAM in the video description. You can check it out, and I'm sure you'll be impressed with this tool. Let me know if you have tested with this. Let me know if there's other video all-in-one solution like this that you have used that has blown your mind in the video description. I'll be happy to check that tool out. That's my time for this video. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more awesome tutorials like this. I will see you in those awesome tutorials. And until then, bye for now.